So last time we used the myDAQ, we read data from one of the analog input channels. This time we want to write data to one of the analog output channels. So again, we create a while loop so we can write more than one piece of data at a time. And then within the while loop, we're going to drop one of the express VIs again. It's the DAQ assistant. And we'll go through the initialization wizard again. This time we want to say generate signals, and it's an analog output and a voltage. And we'll use analog out channel 0, let's say for the red LED, and then reserve analog output channel 1 for the infrared LED. When we finish that, we enter the kind of setup wizard again. So in the case when we want to have a input control that executes once with one piece of data for each iteration of the while loop, we'll need to use one sample on demand. And then once this is deployed, we'll be able to create a numeric control for that value. So if we put a double precision constant down here, we can then change it to a control on the front panel. So we have the control. We can replace it with a, let's say, a little control knob like this. We've got an error at the moment because we haven't added a control here to the while loop to tell it to stop. Okay, so now this VI will take the value of the control and write that to the output signal generation of the myDAQ.